No, it's not actually. We've been on this long slippery slope for a long time. Look, I think in the first instance, we've got to solve this organisation design problem. I think procurement has to be part of the supply chain, and that means they've got to be linked integrally with manufacturing and with logistics at the front end. And the three of them really need to report to a chief supply chain officer. I think that's the first thing we must do to start making a much more integrated approach to the demand side of the business. I think once you do that, we need to all recognise, and I think the people at the front end of the business are recognising this, that customer segmentation is the key. And we now know that not all customers behave the same way when they're buying product. And the research we've found is that 4 or 5 supply chain archetypes will give you about an 80% fit to the business. So that means we need our procurement people understanding that. And as they look out into the supply base, they need to be looking for suppliers who, have long-term relationship ambitions. They need possibly different suppliers who are good at giving the lowest unit price for a particular order. They also need to find suppliers who may have extra capacity that they can go to when we need quick response, and they could be different suppliers. We also need to look out at those suppliers who perhaps can give us a creative solution when we need it most in difficult times, in times of disruption. So we need the procurement people to be almost acting as a mirror image on the back end as the sales and marketing people are on the front end, and the two must be connected through some sort of clustering or team organisation to drive the supply chains.